Well, I'm not sure if we're supposed to do a video on the second topic, but I just really want to express my opinion. Well, I can't say that I'm not addicted to gadgets. Actually, I am addicted. I use my phone a lot, and I often find myself scrolling through Instagram feed. And also, I play a lot of computer games, and I spend quite a lot of time doing that. However, I do not understand why people film fireworks or concerts. So this is happening. So this is an event that is happening right here, right now. And why wouldn't you just enjoy it, like with your own eyes, looking straight at the firework or straight at the performers? So I see like more than half of the people just staying with their phone and even not like holding it below the eyes. They are looking straight in the phone screen on the firework that is going in the sky. I don't understand that, and I think that's what we shouldn't do. We should enjoy these moments, and we should get like real feelings, real experiences, not through this camera. Like we can do that after, when we are at home, when we are going to bed, but when it's happening with you at the moment in real life, like you need to enjoy that, and you shouldn't waste this by just watching it through the phone screen. So that's my opinion, and that's a thing that I do not understand, and I just wanted to talk about it a little bit.